So if the restaurants do not want to honor the PWD ID, just get the restaurant's name, sino yung server, kailangan ma-document yung time, kailangan ma-document yung incident. Then they could report to either the NCDA, yung National Council on Disability Affairs, or DSWD. I'm not sure how competent they are. Wala pa akong alam na documented na natulungan nila after this during this discussion on fake PWDs. But I think it's an option. They could file lawsuit and kung tingin nila medyo tedious, basta i-document lang nila, pwede nila isumbong sa DTI, DSWD, and other relevant, even sa LGU, para sabihin na, okay, hindi in-honor to. Ngayon, if one option is they could tell me, report to me, tapos i-compile natin yan, then let's file a lawsuit against these establishments forcing us or not honoring the ID card para matest na natin yung law. But yung immediate pwede din nilang gawin sa LGU, sa DSWD, sa NCDA, and other relevant government agencies, or go to court directly para ma-protect naman yung rights ng mga legitimate PWDs.